Thinking about buying a condo? Some things have changed recently for financing requirements, and here's what I want you to know. As of August 3rd, 2026, when you're financing a condo, your lender is no longer just looking at your finances and the individual unit's eligibility. Depending on the type of loan and condo community, they may also need to review financial health, insurance coverage, condition, and management of the condo association. Recent lending guideline changes have made that review more important. So here's what I want to prepare my condo buyers for. Give yourself enough time. Some condo purchases require additional documentation from the association before the lender can approve the property for you to purchase. This can include the condo's budgets, insurance information about assessments, maintenance concerns, and other association documents. So what does this mean for you? It doesn't mean condos are suddenly more difficult to buy or no longer an option for you. It means we want to identify what your lender needs as early as possible before we even write the offer, depending on what the association can offer. We also need to build a realistic closing timeline into that offer. For some properties, I may recommend planning closer to 45-day closing rather than the 30-day that we typically have been doing. This again depends on what the lender needs to satisfy the loan and what the condo association is able to provide for documentation. Don't judge a condo fee by its monthly fee alone. I know nobody gets excited about a higher condo fee, but the lowest monthly fee isn't necessarily going to be the best deal for you. When we're evaluating a condo community, I also want to understand, does the association have money set aside for future repairs? Are the upcoming projects identified for special assessments? Have the fees increased recently? Are major items like the roof, siding, roads, and common areas being maintained? Does the budget appear appropriate for the needs of that community? A well-maintained association that plans ahead can be much more important for your long-term ownership experience than simply finding one with the lowest fee. So pay attention to the condition of the whole community. With a single-family home, you're primarily evaluating the home you're buying. With a condo, you're also paying attention to the parts of the property you share with everybody else. Here in New Hampshire, that can mean the roofs, the siding, drainage, pavement, decks, common areas, and other components that take a beating from our weather out here. Significant deferred maintenance or unfunded repairs can potentially affect your finances, and they can also affect what owners may have to pay for in the future. That's why I want us asking those questions before we're deep into the transaction whenever possible. I want you to also understand what the condo insurance covers. Condo insurance has two pieces: the association's master insurance policy and your own individual condo policy, often called the HO6 policy. The association's master policy may have deductibles or coverage limitations that will affect the amount of insurance that you will need personally. We will work together with your lender and insurance professional to identify the association's coverage and deductibles so you can make your individual policy appropriate and make sure it protects you. None of this means you should be afraid to buy a condo. Actually, it's quite the opposite. The goal is to simply go into your purchase informed and prepared. When I'm helping you evaluate the condo, I'm not asking, do you love the unit? But I'm also helping you ask, does this community make sense for you financially in the long term? We'll review the available condo documents, identify questions that should be answered, and work closely with your lender and insurance professional and other appropriate professionals through your due diligence period. Because finding the right condo isn't just about finding the home you love, it's about understanding what you're buying into as well. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm Kat Jalbert at the Damon Home Team.